Hello, today I will tell you the domain of exponential into exponential. But in my previous video I told you exponential into b minus x. Exponential into b minus x. What is the difference? In that case, the sign of x square was negative, but here the sign of x square is positive. That is the difference. And the answer will completely vary. Clear? So you should see what is the question. And the question is in which form. Whether the sign of x square is positive or the sign of x square is negative. Clear? And whether a is less than b or a is greater than b. That should be kept in the mind. Clear? See here. It is in the numerator. I have already told you. If it is in the numerator and square root is there, so only discarded function is part is it cannot be negative. Negative part is discarded. Only you should take the positive and 0. Clear? So here f is well defined for x minus a into x minus b is greater or equal to 0. And draw the number line. This is infinity, this is minus infinity. So this quantity equal to means x is equal to a and x is equal to b. So this one is a, this one is b, because a is less than b. So a should be on the left hand side, b should be on the right hand side. And you will multiply these two factors. And the coefficient of x square is positive. So this one is positive, this one is negative, this one is positive. And your requirement is positive. Positive means this part or this part. So minus infinity a union b infinity. Either this one or this one. Or means union. And infinity is always open. And equal to sign is there. Equal to 0. This quantity will be 0 under which condition? If x equal a and x equal b, that means a and b are included. So you should put a closed interval for a and b. So this is the answer. That means domain is minus infinity a. This is closed, this is open, union b infinity. This is open, this is closed. This is your formula. Clear? See here. Our format is exponential something. So you should write like this. And condition is that a is less than b. The smaller part is written here and the larger part is written here. So here 2, 3. But the smaller part is 2. Exponential to exponential. It is in this format. So its domain is minus infinity 2 union 3 infinity. And here a is 2, b is 5. X minus 2, x minus 5. So 2 is less than 5. So minus infinity 2 union 5 infinity. So this is the answer. And by here a is 1, b is 3. So you should write minus infinity 1 union 3 infinity. So this is the answer. Clear? See here. Again the reciprocal of previous one. That means 1 by square root of exponential into exponential. So here f is well defined. If this one is the function, f is well defined for exponential into exponential b is greater than 0. It cannot be negative, it cannot be 0. So it is only positive. So take the number line. Infinity, this is minus infinity. So this quantity equal to 0. So it will be x equal to a or x equal to b. But a is less than b. So a should be on the left hand side, b should be on the right hand side. And you will multiply. The coefficient of x square is positive. So positive, negative, positive. And your requirement is if this quantity should be only positive, not equal to 0. Positive means this one or this one. X belongs to minus infinity a open interval union b infinity open interval. Since it is in the denominator, you are taking the open interval. If it is in the numerator, you should take these two closed interval. Clear? So the formula is minus infinity minus a union b infinity. The smaller part should be written here and the larger part should be written here. Clear? See, what is our formula? 1 by square root of x minus a into x minus b is this one. Condition is that a should be, if a is less than b, a should be written here, b should be written, and all are open intervals. Clear? See here, x minus 2, x minus 3 under root, and 1 by this one. So here a is 2, b is 3. So answer is minus infinity 2 union 3 infinity. Here 1 2, 1 2, 1 is less than 2. So minus infinity 1 union 2 infinity. And here this is a, this is b. So minus infinity 2 union 5 infinity. Clear? And you should simply remember this formula and do these problems. Clear?